Hello everyone! Today I will show you the way from our house to the nearest beach here because some of our subscribers want to see it and maybe others also want to. And now I'm standing in front of our house, but for now I will not show you kung ano yung itsura ng aming house. If you want to see, you can go to my Russian YouTube channel. You just search Rahani Filipinka and you will find there every step of the process of our house. And now, let's see if how many minutes I can walk from here where I am standing right now. Kung nasan yung bahay namin up to there kung saan yung aming tinitirahan for now or where we are renting right now. So just let's begin. I don't know kung nakikita yung timer natin. Wait. Ayan, nag-start na siya. Let's go. Siyempre, ganito lang yung speed ko. Hindi siya masyadong mabilis. Hindi rin naman masyadong mabagal. Just like that. And I will show you later. So, it looks like here on our road now. Before, jungle ito. And then, nag-request kami sa barangay to make the way kasi may right of way naman siya dito. May daan talaga siya. And they did it. Even though sinabi nila na sa 2028 pa supposed to be. Pero dahil na rin sa barangay captain natin dito sa Kaputian and si Captain Aloro, kaya nagawa itong daan na ito. And yun din, doon sa may part na yun. Tsaka paikot pa. Marami yung daan na nagawa dito. And thanks for them. We are so glad na tinakinggan din nila yung request namin. So, ganyan lang. Malapit lang naman yung bahay namin sa tinitirahan namin now, where we are renting right now. Just a few minutes. Ayan. Diyan kami makatira now. We are renting now there. So, let's go and we will check if how many minutes I walked. And ito na siya. Ito yung real time ng hanggang dito. 2 minutes ako naglakad from here up to our house. Our house is on that way. We have two options. We have two routes. Maybe we can walk from here, but that's the long way. And to there. And that's the shortcut. For now, I will go on that way. Later on, maybe sometime, I will show you the long way. Valia's renting now on this way and on that way, where the twins also lived before. So, let's set our timer also from here hanggang sa beach. O, yan. Battery low na siya. Hanggang sa beach kung ilang minutes natin lalakarin ito. Ayan. And, timer begins. Let's go. Pwede rin naman akong dumaan dun sa Calavalia, pero ayoko kasi ayoko silang ma-disturb kasi marami na sila ngayon doon with the kids plus the elders. So, we will go this way. And this is the gymnasium. Kaya super ingay every night sa amin dito, especially kapag may nagbabasketball kasi ganyan lang siya kalapit. Yun yung tinitirahan namin and this is the gym. Let's go for the and also we are walking here with Hannah every time she go to school. school because malapit lang naman from here. Few minutes lang. Nung wala pa yung daan doon sa sinabi kong ginawa nila Kapitan Aloro, dito kami ni Hana dumadaan lagi going to school kasi ito lang yung daan talaga na mas malapit. Pwede ka namang dumaan sa may daanan doon, naiikot ka, pero meron pa ring mga tubig-tubig kapag umuulan doon. So, here, we chose here. Pero dito, kapag umuulan, masyadong malambot yung lupa dito and clay siya. Kaya mahirap din. Pero now, the road is already there. Meron na kaming road, kaya mas madali na siya. Mas okay na. Mas comfortable na to walk from our house up to the School of Hana. This way before ay wala pa. Pero ngayon, lately lang to nagawa tong road na to. So, dati, super clay din na ng daanan dito. Every umuulan. Pero now, they already did it for the sake of the students. That's so nice. And this is the way going to the School of Hana. I wanna go to the beach with Hana today, pero Hana just got fever last night because I think because of her teeth is coming out. One already been removed, and then one is now moving. Isa dito, natanggal na, and isa dito naman is gumagalaw pa lang. Kaya, nagkasipon siya and sa baba po. Nagkasipon siya and nilagnat. Pero yung lagnat niya is on and off, kaya I think it's because of her teeth. And now, I'm already in front of Hana's school. This one. And let's check if how many minutes akong naglakad from our house up to here. And it's 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Let's continue walking. Ayan, 4 minutes lang pala paglalakarin hanggang sa school. Now I know. Ayan. And eto na yung wall na nagawa nila. Yan. Ito na yung product ng Mr. and Miss KCES nila dati na pa-contest. And the fund goes here on this part of the fence. But I think they needed more funds kasi I will show you later because kung bakit. They only did on this part of the fence. Ayan, yung diretsong yan where the tricycles and motorbikes. Diyan yung papunta sa kung saan kami nawala. And now we will go this way kasi ito naman yung way papunta doon sa market and sa sea. And look at that fence. Ito yung fence ng school here. On this part sa likod. That's why I told you guys na kailangan pa nila ng mas maraming funds kasi parang need na talaga. Need na siyang mabago. Ayan. Ganyan na siya. And nilagyan lang nila ng mga galva para hindi makatalon yung mga bata. Kasi dati, as in, alam mo naman na yung mga bata, tumatalon-talon kapag magka-cutting classes or kapag ka-recess time. Siyempre, para mas mabilis, shortcut ba? Ayan, ganyan na siya. Para siyang, ano na, parang matutumba na siya. Ganyan na yung itsura niya. Especially sa part na doon. Ayan, tignan niyo po. Hindi na siya parallel talaga. Ayan. Hindi na siya safe for the kids. Pero itong part na to, parang bago. Ganyan. Oh, eto oh, tingnan nyo dito sa part na to. Ayan siya. As in, talagang kailangan na niyang palitan talaga. Oh. Wala na yung bakod niya. And here, on this part. So, kung sino man dyan ang may mga mabubuting puso at may funds, pwede po kayong mag-reach out para bigyan natin yung funds sa kanila. Or donations if you wanted to help our school. So, let's continue walking. On this part, super dami nilang aso. And kapag ganyan, even though mababait naman sila, aso pa rin sila. Kaya minsan, ang cute ng aso niyan. Parang siyang tiger. Kaya minsan natatakot din ako. Baka kasi kumagat. Yan, yung mga yan, konti pa yan. Mas marami pa doon sa banda doon. Dami nila. Ganito. So, it looks like here on this road. Medyo madulas yung mga ito, yung mga leaves. Pero carry naman. Ito yung school. School din yan. Part ng school. Yung fence na yan. Di ba parang falls din dito? Yung falls na falls. Yung weather. Kasi maraming mga leaves na nahuhulog-hulog. Dito be careful lang dapat kasi super dulas ng mga leaves. Lalo na kapag super dry sila. And yung bato naman yung madulas kapag wet. I think they called our street solid rock kasi as in rocks talaga siya, oh. Mga solid talaga yung mga rocks na nandito. Parang, alam mo yung bundok ng rocks, parang ganun. It's only my point of view. Pero hindi ko alam, hindi ko pa nababasa yung history ng Samal. So, like this. And this one is they specially made na ito. Semento lang ito, itong daan na to. Para, syempre, para sa safety and para mas madali bumaba and tumakyat. Yung sa mga tao naman na. Oo. Ganyan siya. And ito yung dinadaanan namin every now and then. Every time napupunta kami sa market or if we will go to the nearest beach here in Kaputian, Samal. Yan. Medyo malapit na tayo. And this is the way going to the RHU here, Rural Health Unit. If you want to see what it looks like, meron po kaming vlog regarding that. Nung first time ni Sasha sa RHU, yun yung title niya. With the twins, that's the playlist there. You can check there so that you can see kung ano itsura ng RHU here. Yan. From here, you can already see, ayun, yun na yung sea. And yan, yung part na yan is, yan na yung papunta or parang maliit na wharf papunta sa Talikod Island. Going to Talikod Island. If you wanted to, I will show you doon sa may wharf. If I have the time also. Yan. And here is the maternity clinic. Yan, maternity clinic. Dati, nandun siya sa may tabi ng RHU. Pero ngayon is nilipatan nila. And here is, mas malaki na and mas malapit. Maternity clinic here in Kaputian. And this one is the police station here in Kaputian. Police substation. This one. From here naman, you can see na the gas station and 7-Eleven over there. So, malapit talaga siya sa amin, sa lahat. And this is already the market. The market. And let's continue walking. Vegetables and fruit markets. Yan na yung papunta sa wharf going to Talikod Island. But we will not go there for a moment kasi may timer tayo going to the beach. So we will go this way where the beach is. And here, dito ako laging bumibili ng chicken, fresh chicken. This part. And ito naman yung favorite ng twins na lechon manok. Let's go for the... Ayan na yung beach. Pero syempre, punta tayo dun sa may entrance. And now we're near. Dito yung entrance ng mga may sasakyan. Pero syempre, need mo pa rin pumunta doon sa main entrance kasi doon magbabayad. So, let's go there. Ayan na, malapit na tayo sa pinakamalapit na beach here in Kaputian. And this is the Kaputian Beach Park. Yan. Oh. Kaputian Beach Park. And ayan na. Nakarating na tayo. Here we are. Ito na siya. Yan na yung beach. Pero hindi na ako papasok dyan kasi I'll go there. Because I wanna buy some fruits and vegetables in the market. So, let's check kung ilang minutes natin nilakad yun. And, ayan na nga, yung ating timer, 18 minutes. 18 minutes pa siya nilakad from our house up to here on the Kaputian Beach. And now, I will show you the wharf. That's why we will go back there. Yan. Ito na yung crossroad kanina. And we will go here. Malapit lang siya. Ayan. ito na yung wharf, kung tama ba yung tawag ko. Wharf papuntang Talikod Island, this one. And this is the Coast Guard substation ng Kaputian. Ayan. Ito, yung wharf nila. And from here, pwede rin dumaan dito. Yung mga ayaw magbayad sa Kaputian Beach, o dito sila dumadaan. Here. Kasi open siya. And this is the Kaputian Beach. Here. Low tide siya ngayon. Super refreshing ng water today. As in super low tide siya. Kasi dito from here is tumatalon talaga yung mga bata. Pero now, hindi pwedeng tumalon kasi mababaw yung tubig.
A few moments later.
And dito naman ako bumibili ng mga vegetables in this area. Hana's, ano din to? Hana's, hindi ko lang makadugtong, basta Hana's Place. Ayan. Today is market day, kaya fresh yung mga gulay nila. And talagang tinanong ko noon kung ano yung market day nila. Kung anong days yung mga fresh, yung gulay. Pero syempre, fresh akong bibili. Ayan. Ayan, nakabili na ako ng mga fruits and vegetables. And now I'm here at the bakery kasi this is my favorite to buy here. And favorite din nila Hana and my husband. I will show you. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-favorite nila, banana bread. And I also cooked banana bread before in Russia. Ito din, gustong-gusto nila nito. Yeah. Kopya, ayan, yung mga gusto nila. Kopya. Ito, hindi pa na-try ni Hana. And now I'm home. Siyempre, nagbaw-baw na lang ako kasi marami akong dala and mabigat. I bought this one, water, vegetables, and may mangga doon, fruits. So, hindi ko siya kayang bitbitin. That's why I've rode on bao-bao. And that's all for today. See you on the next vlog. Bye-bye.